How to fix persistence_enforce_ Mavis error in Apex Legends. 1. Check the main server status of Apex Legends. 2. PC players, repair the Apex Legends installation via Origins Launcher. 3. Change to a different region by accessing the data center menu. Path, accessibility settings, hit the close button. Now head over to the data center. 4. PC, flush DNS. Run the following commands as admin: IP protocol configuration /flushins, IP protocol configuration /registerdns, IP protocol configuration /release, IP protocol configuration /renew netshare winsock reset 5. Restart or reset the router. You better back up your router settings first. Additionally, check your internet connection.